everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be filming an April's favorites, and I love making favorites videos, and I decided to make one again for April, and I actually did one last month, I think, in March. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be making a little small favorites video. I don't like to put a lot of things and items and products and like clothing items and all that stuff in a video, because I feel like I feel like that would be more of a haul than a favorites video. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias and subscribe to this channel, because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers and I cannot wait. So yeah, just press the subscribe button down below. It'll also say on the screen here. So yeah, I'm sorry that the lighting is changing right now, but it is what? It is 4:24 and the lighting is perfect right now in my opinion. So yeah, I decided to just film a video, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be starting off with is going to be skincare products, and I recently went to the Glossier showroom in New York City. I live near New York City. That day I went with my brother's girlfriend to go get Japanese ice cream, which was so good, and I will insert a picture here to see, like, to let you guys see what the ice cream looked like, and it was amazing. If you go to New York, please go there. It was in Chinatown. So Glossier showroom was in Chinatown, and we just saw it on our way to the ice cream place, and I mean, we didn't know what the Glossier showroom was really until we looked it up, and we found out that it was the Glossier store. And I never knew that they actually had one in New York City, because I live near New York City and I've always gone there for like every day. So yeah, I went there and I just purchased a few items, and it came in this cute little pink pouch. It's like a pink bubble wrap. I don't know if you can tell the little bubbles, but you can't really pop them. The first thing that I've always wanted to purchase from a Glossier was the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser, and it just looks like this. It just looks like this. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's white. It's more like a jelly when it comes out, but then it turns into like this oily substance when you rub it in, especially if you're removing your makeup with it, which I think is really good, because honestly, like, even though it doesn't really deep cleanse your face, but it still helps like remove all the makeup and the impurities and all that disgusting stuff on your face. I think it's really good, and I feel like my acne scars are starting to fade away a little bit. Like, I have some right now. I have pretty bad ones. I don't have any here so far. I have this little pimple right here, which is so annoying. And then I have over here, like, my cheek area is just like the most problematic area of my whole entire face, and that's so annoying. Since this is a conditioning face wash, it's been working wonders for me so far, and I hope I can purchase this again. If my skin still likes it, then yeah, I give this a thumbs up to Glossier, because I think it's really good. Next from Glossier, it is the priming moisturizer, and it looks like this. I feel like their packaging is all aesthetic for me. Like, I have pink everywhere in my room, I have white everywhere in my room, I love this like font because I use it in my thumbnails and all that stuff, and I just love it, and it gives me like vintagey vibes. I don't know if I would call it a primer, but like, I don't really care about primers for makeup. I don't really wear primers for makeup. Like right now, I'm not even wearing a primer. I'm just wearing this. I've been loving my favorite nail polish color has been the Essie Mix Taupe. It is like a very light taupe color, and I really like it. So I like this a lot, and I've been loving it because it matches a lot of my outfits. And I don't like wearing white a lot because that's very annoying. It turns yellow, it cracks my nails, and it's just very basic, so I decided to switch it up with the taupe. I've been loving a book. I know I don't really show books in favorites videos, but I don't really any good books out there yet, like lately. So I read this book a while ago already, like last summer, and it is the Before I Fall by Lauren Oliver, and it's from the movie. So I never watched the movie, and I always wanted to watch it before I even read this book, but I love the book and I'm reading it over again. So I'm on page almost 100 I think right now. So yeah. And lastly are my favorite like piece of clothing, or like, yeah, I think I would count it as clothing, are my Vans, my checkered Vans slip-ons, and I'm actually wearing them right now, but I just slipped them off. So I know I'm basic. So they're the checkered Vans. I have very small feet. I'm a size 5. I'm 5'3", so I love them. I match with my brother and his girlfriend, so I match with everybody now, and I match with my friends at school sometimes too. No problem. I mean, they match your outfit perfectly. And the last things for beauty, I have been using this fragrance lately, and it is from Victoria's Secret Pink. It is the Pink Vibes perfume, and I bought this one at a local Victoria's Secret outlet because, I mean, they don't really sell this anymore, so I've been using it. I bought it over there for $5 and normally would be $20, so I bought this and I really like it. I love coconut. I love any tropical scents. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and follow me on all of my social medias, which will be down in the description box below and also on the screen right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!